So we're here at Round Lake, and we're doing the car show there, and my brother's on that carousel, and I'm not doing it because I hate carousels. And also I got this tattoo. So did Dalton and my sister, and we're gonna have a good day today, and we could possibly get some food, but we already have some. Holy cow! What was that? Yeah, I know that, but it was just loud. Yeah, and there's been lots of loud cars going by. They should come here. And this is the since this is my dad's channel, I might actually introduce Mom. Hey, Mom, this is my mom. She don't want to be on film. And so, see ya! Hey guys, welcome to today's video. There's my little brother. I'm a fox. And I got a spider now.
What are we about to do?
We're about to do the
muffler contest.
The muffler contest. We might win.
Those people need to stop.
We might win. It's like
We'll see.
1 out of what percent chance?
1 in 3.
1 in 3% chance. And there are really nice cars here.
So we'll see you again once we start.
And there's the rat ride.
Okay.
Which
what are we gonna do? See you again when we start.
See you again when we start. See ya.